find it. Go find that dog. Go find that dog. 2 dogs in your yard. Let's go find him. Let's go find him. Let's go find him. Want to go find him? Let's go over here and look. Over here.
Stamp on the Confederate States of America.
They used to.
As long as Shanklin everything you was, but it's an expensive enterprise.
I don't want your note. You wanted it. Well, less of these.
Your General Sherman left his promissory note through Georgia. It didn't make him less a thief either, but it did make him seem a great deal more legal. It's still